Good morning. So Teddy wanted a little balance on. What did we want to do a balance on? Your cough?
Yes.
Bit of a snot. What did you say the other day? Snot and cough. Yeah. Okay. Oh, do you want your light on again?
Yes.
So we've been running some 660, 604 frequencies. There we go. So he can have red light therapy at the same time, which of course helps to oxygenate and helps to kill viruses and stuff like that. So I'll get you to lie down, little Ted.
Lie down on my back?
On your back?
Okay. Like
no, not on your tummy, on your back.
this?
Excellent.
Like this?
Yeah, perfect. So, actually, let me just grab the immune protocol.
Why over there?
So firstly, let's just run these little guys. So this is just checking some core immune points. Hold up for me. 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 So they're all locking. Now we've got red light energy on. How about we ask the body minus the red light energy? So minus the red light energy, because he's just had 45 minutes of this. So let's just ask the body to take away that energy out of the body for now. And again, hold up. Whooshka. Hold up. Whooshka. Hold.
I am unlocking.
It's unlocking. That's right. So it's unlocking because without the red light energy, the immune system isn't as active. And there's all sorts of stuff in the environment at this time of year. It's cold, it's rainy, it's wet.
My eyes is pointing this way.
But the energy mismatch, little guy in here, it also showed up, which means that there's something in the immune system that the immune system isn't dealing with. So we do some tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. Tappity, oh, go. Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. 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 Okay. Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. Okay, so let's go and ask, because there's a lot of, well, there's not actually a lot, but let's just ask around mucus, mucoid plaque, and biofilms. Mucus, mucoid plaque, and biofilms. Because sometimes they're in the body and they're holding infections.
My eyes.
Hold up for me.
My feet got eyes.
Hold up. Your feet got eyes. Hold. What does that mean?
It means the foot can see everything.
The foot can see. Well, I suppose your foot has got lots of nerves on it, so when you're walking around on the planet, it's trying to work things out, and that's pretty cool.
What do you feel?
Okay. So once again, mucus, mucoid plaque, and biofilm. Because sometimes that sort of stuff just hangs around in the body, holding old infections and toxins. And hold, and hold, and hold, and hold. Beautiful. Let's check the microbiome. So the microbiome is those thousands and thousands and thousands of germs in the gut that actually have a huge amount to do with our whole immune system. So let's just ask around the microbiome in general. And hold. 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 Because lots of things improve the microbiome, like exercising and good diet and probiotics and things. Microbiome seems okay. Let's check around the thymus gland. So let's activate the thymus gland, which sits in behind the sternum. And let's see whether it's happy. I mean, at some stage in our lives, the thymus gland takes a bit of a back seat because, of course, as we get older, we're supposed to get more and more natural immunity to lots of infections. It's not too bad, but it's still dealing with stuff. You know, being in a classroom with 30 kids, 30 hours a week. Hey. Okay, thymus gland. Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. And again. Hold. 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 Beautiful. Let's check. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's check bacteria and bacterial infections. Bacteria and bacterial infections. So all this is looking for is the frequency of things that are out. So everything has a frequency. Every cell in the body, every toxin, they've all got a frequency. That's looking. Let's check viruses and viral particles. Viruses and viral particles. And hold. Hold. Whooshka. 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 That's not working. So there's something in there that his body has no idea how to do with, know what to do with. You are just enjoying yourself way too much there. Definitely not for ASMR, this one. Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. And what about the feet? Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. So these are the energy mismatch points because there's something viral related in the body that the body has no idea what to do with. Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. Tappity, tappity, tap, tap, tap. Okay, viruses and viral particles. And hold, 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 hold. I mean, except for in foods and stuff, he really hasn't had any antibiotics the last few years. But let's just check any and all residue of antibiotics. And hold, we ran his, hold. Yeah, right. We ran his bioresonance this morning. And there were a few things going on. So I've got a little bioresonance detox going on. We've got the red light detox going on. Helping his little immune system.
My red light is white.
Oh, it looks white in there. Does it make your face look crazy? Whoa.
It makes my face crazy.
Okay, so any and all energy mismatches to any and all viral and viral
Now
particles.
it turned to red.
And again, hold up for me. That's better.
The light is off.
Oh, yeah. So let's just ask around candida and candida particles, because obviously sometimes when we've had infections and, you know, candida can take hold. There's oodles of strains of candida. And hold up for me. And the diet these days, just general diet. What's your favourite food, Teddy?
Sausage.
He loves red sausage. What's your second favourite food?
Potato.
Banana.
Yes.
Yes. What's your third favourite?
Love heart.
Love heart. Oh, you saw my earrings, didn't you?
Yeah, it was.
Do you want to eat my love hearts? I don't think they would be very yummy.
No, I mean another love hearts are food.
Oh, we bought love heart Easter Remember we bought a Love Heart Easter chocolate
Yeah.
out of that beautiful chocolatiers?
Yeah, I like chocolate.
Chocolate's yummy.
I want to eat chocolate.
Chocolato.
Chocolate.
Chocolato.
Chocolate.
So let's just ask in relation to sugar, actually, and just see if that's upsetting the immune system. What was that? Hold. Whooshka. Hold. Many years ago, probably 25, 30 years ago, I was doing some clinic experience with a guy in Australia called Henry Osiki, who was one of our top biochemists at the time. And he'd written books and he was like up there on this pedestal. And he said, one of his lectures, he said that when we have the equivalent of 13 teaspoons of sugar, which is like a scoop of ice cream or a can of Coke, then we can reduce our immune system by 10%. Now, 10% may not sound like a lot, but when you take into account we've got trillions of cells in the body, like what are we doing to our immune system when we're eating sugar? Now, we know sugar is inflammatory. We know sugar, it can really mess with the gut. It can feed candida and stuff, but it can actually destroy, because of the inflammatory process, some of the white blood cells. And we need neutrophils predominantly for bacteria. We need lymphocytes predominantly for viruses. We need monocytes. You know, they're high when we've got autoimmune disease. And I'm sure you've noticed the last 2 years, autoimmune diseases. What was the stat I heard this week? Autoimmune diseases have exploded in the past 2 years, more than cancers and heart attacks and heart issues combined. So our immune systems are just destroying themselves. So when we've got some tools like immune system stuff that we can do on ourselves and our family, you know, on a daily basis, it's a really powerful thing. So that's why I include some immune system stuff within the Kinesiology Foundation's online course now, because I just think it's so important for this time on the planet. What's that? What are you doing? So once again, let's check in relation to sugar. Seesaw, Marjorie, door. Hold up, sweetie. Hold. Candida, sugar. What else will we check? Let's check your, pardon?
Sugar.
Chica.
Sugar.
Sugar, yeah, I just did sugar. Let's check your lungs. So when he was born, he had crappy lungs. And
Crappy lungs.
crappy lungs. You were in hospital 3 times before you were 2 years old with your lungs. And they had to put a little tube in your nose, and you did not like it. They had to put sticky tape on your face to keep it there, and it gave your brain oxygen. And you know what you did? You cried a lot. It wasn't very happy. So we've got to really look after your lungs. So that's why I use your gel on your lungs every time you cough. And it's why the red light's so important, just to help healing our body. Cool, eh? Okay, so let's check your lung energy. So the muscle test for the lung energy is the anterior serratus. Hold back. Don't let me pull towards your toes. Hold back nice and strong. Hold back nice and strong. They're not locking. And the other one we do is the deltoid. Hold up. I'm pulling towards your toes. Hold up. Don't let me come down. Whooshka. Hold up. Don't let me come down. Whooshka. So boosting those little lung energy pathways. Cheeky galeeky. Then we run that lung meridian. I had a post thrown off Facebook the other day because it showed a couple of meridians. Fat Facebook fact checkers didn't like it. Oh, I know, my goodness gracious me. Go argue with 7,000 years of research. Anyway, whatever. Okay, let's have a look. Hold back for me. That's better. Hold back for me. No. Arm straight, sweetie. That's it. Hold back. And deltoid, and hold up. Don't let me pull down. That's good. And this side, don't let me pull down. Beautiful.
I'm getting bigger.
You are getting bigger.
Look.
Well, are you stretching your legs?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Because I'm bigger.
Now, something else I might just check with little Ted is CIRS, which is CIRS, which is chronic inflammatory respiratory syndrome. So I just want to make sure that the lungs just CIRS.
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 So let's just see. Hold up for me. That's okay. And hold up. And hold up. And hold up. And hold up. That's all pretty good. And what about backwards? Hold. Hold back. Okay, so it's not looking like there's CIRS going on. Let's check MCAS. 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 That's mast cell hello. Mast cell activation syndrome. So when that one shows up, which it is, the body isn't dealing with histamines, histamines as well as it could. So as a general rule, there's histamine receptors that can be overloaded, overworking, underworking, blocked. Hey, don't you remember? Okay, in relation to MCAS. MCAS, hold. 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 And let me also check in relation to histamines, because I'm wondering whether because the mast cell activation syndrome is MCAS, and the histamine's a healing agent, but everyone uses antihistamines and we suppress it all the time. But what suppressing histamines does, it can deactivate your T helper 3s and 17s in the small intestine, in the immune system, and it can also stop the production of T helper 1 cells, which are the ones we need. You know, what? Look, you got kissy lips on your foot. So it can deactivate the production of T helper 1 cells, which are the ones that help to kill viruses and bacteria and cancer cells and stuff. So another one. Okay, so let's check histamines. 2 kissy lips. What? Oh no, 3 kissy lips. Histamines. Hold up. What? 4 kissy lips. Hold up. Hold up. What? 5 kissy lips. 5 kissy lips, and you are 5 years old. That's right. What? 6 kissy lips.
It's
27-0 kissy lips. What?
Nice kissy lips.
Nice kissy lips. Okay, let's go back in and check. So what we're trying to do is get the body recognizing histamine and MCAS and viral particles and stuff. Histamine, hold, that's better. And hold, 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 hold. So obviously I only checked the lungs before. Let's go check if there's any other organs that we need to pick up as well. Let's go have a look. So central governing lung. 12. I think that's pretty good. This is a new program for this body now and in the future. The old program for this body is no longer necessary now and in the future. Say thank you very much, everybody.
Can I tell the
Are you going to really do that? You're going to say bye.
bye?
Catch you later, alligator. Don't forget your toilet paper. Cool. Okay.
You're getting rid of me.
Okay. I'm going to press this button.